In this video, we are going to see that if you want to change the language of Google Chrome browser to English or basically any other language, what you need to do, let's see the step-by-step process. So basically what you need to do is just open up the Google Chrome and click on the three dots on the top right. And once we have this open, and from here, just click on the settings. And on the left hand side, you can see the languages right in the options of the menu in the settings. Just click on the language. So here in the websites in your language, it says English, English, and English. So basically this is what the language change looks like. The first one is this language is used for translating pages. This language is used to display menus, settings, alerts, and other text in the Chrome. So if you want to change this main language, what you can do is just click on this, move this down, or you can just add a new language. Let's say I want to add Spanish. So you can add Spanish, you can add it like this. And then what you need to do is just move this up, move up, move up, move up. And you can even tick it at the current point, display the Chrome in this language. You can just check this and now it is set to Spanish. Click on relaunch and there you go. As you can see, it is completely changed to Spanish. And let's see the menu. We can just identify this by little icons. So let's say if we want to switch back, we just wanted to try. Let's go to the language. And I think this is English. You need to like United Kingdom maybe, and make this the default language. It is set to default. Let's relaunch this. And now it is successfully changed to English United Kingdom. If you want to make the United States English as default, let's set it that way. And let's relaunch as well. So this is how you can completely change the language of Google Chrome just by using these settings. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you want to learn more amazing stuff on our channel, you can join the playlist link in the description, and I will see you in the next one.